Athlete of the Week, brought to you by Texas Mattress Makers.
Our Athlete of the Week has often been accused of being shy, but she says that is not the case.
Her coach calls her a quiet fighter. Daniel Gutierrez introduces us to Deer Park softball star Alysa Torres.
Softball in Deer Park is synonymous with winning. Lots of great pitchers have stepped into the circle, the latest being Alysa Torres.
You tune everything out and you just pitch.
A lot of fight inside of her, a quiet fight.
Which might seem like an oxymoron, but for this senior,
People think I'm shy, but I'm really not.
her improvement in this game has come a long way from her early years.
I picked flowers.
Good thing some parental advice soon followed.
Well, my mom really pushed me towards softball, and then I just ended up loving it.
If there's a situation that comes up and it's like some people might doubt her that she can get it done, that just drives her more motivation to get it done.
2 wins last week as she was asked to come in 3 different times in a game, meaning she's up for anything.
It felt normal. I didn't feel nervous. It's my job.
Alysa has committed to LeTourneau University, and looking back, softball ended up being the perfect sport to help her blossom.
I didn't want to do any other girly sport.
Alysa's been a part of the program here at Deer Park for 4 years, and she's become a stronger person ever since she got here. Congratulations for being our Athlete of the Week. Thanks to the folks at Texas Mattress Makers.
Always exciting. If you have an athlete you would like to nominate to be our Athlete of the Week, send an email at sports@khou.com. We'll be right back.